I'm Iman Barkadarian.
Hey, I'm Molly Kill.
And we're here to teach you proper computer etiquette while taking the AP test.
In the language lab here at Gunn High School.
Let's begin.
Yes, why not?
Welcome to Gunn High School's excellent establishment known as the Computer Lab. This state-of-the-art facility holds the most advanced Apple computers and is the center of academic growth here at Gunn High School. When you arrive into the Computer Lab, make sure to put your backpack in the first available cubby. No, that won't work, sorry.
Hello class, I'm Miss Garger. You should all be sitting in your regularly assigned seats. AP testing is about to begin.
You heard the woman. Sit in your regularly assigned seats. There you go. Great job. If that's your seat, big guy, pull out that seat, sit down in that chair, and make yourself comfortable. This is gonna be a long test. Huh, good job. Perfect. Now click the student button and log in. Good. The password's student. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Now before you start recording, you want to go to System Preferences. Click that button. Great. Now you want to go to Sound. Now make sure your input volume is 3/4 of the way there. That's right. Now you want to go to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click Audacity. And surprisingly, Audacity will open up. Great job! Now it's serious business time. Put on those headphones, nice and snug, and make sure the receiver is close to your mouth. Now the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to record.
Blah 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 blah.
Alright class, your audio section has ended. Please click pause on Audacity.
Now remember kids, click pause, not stop.
Wait, pause? I clicked stop. No.
Hi Malik, did I hear correctly? Did you stop it instead of pausing it?
I did, but it was a complete accident. Please.
I'm sorry, there's nothing we can do. Actually, College Board prohibits that.
But I can add another audio layer. I can just edit it.
No, Malik, no. College Board actually thinks you're cheating when you have more than one audio file. Didn't your teacher teach you right?
Yeah, I've been trained multiple times and I never made this mistake before. Please.
Malik, let me see your test.
But, what are you gonna do to it?
I just need to see your answers. That's it. Disqualified.
Now remember, click pause after your first recording.
Teacher.
Yes?
I pressed pause.
Great job. You're such a great student.
Thanks.
I'm so proud of you.
After you've paused, make sure to unpause to resume your recording. There you go. And then once you're done the second time, then you click stop. No disqualification here. Now go to File and export your MP3. Save it something you'll recognize, like your last name. Your teacher will follow up with these instructions and specify more clearly. Save it somewhere you'll remember, like the desktop. And it's extremely important that you put a title on your audio file. Something like Gil Spanish AP. Test. Oh, and you can even change the genre. How fun. It's important to be prepared for even the worst cases. So save your project file as well, just in case your audio file has been lost, and you can still retrieve it by opening up the original project file. Save it onto the desktop, and close your Audacity. Now it's time to burn that CD. Insert the CD into the CD drive on the right of your computer. Now wait till the Finder bar. Click OK. Now a message is supposed to come up on your screen. Wait for it. Just kidding, there's no message. Now look at the icons on the right of your desktop. You should see one that is a CD. There it is. Click it. Now you're gonna see a lot of empty room. Room that you're supposed to fill. Now drag your MP3 into that empty space. Perfect. Now you know what to do.
Click the burn button.
Now, name the disk something like your last name again. Now burn it. The computer does the rest of the work for you. Just wait for it to finish. Then, you'll see your CD icon on the desktop. Now click the eject button. Now eliminate any traces of you being on the computer. Highlight anything that was yours on the desktop and throw it in the trash. Then open up the trash and empty the trash. No traces, no evidence. Phew. Now you want to log off the student account when you're done. Clear your private data. Now it's time to clean up. Put your headphones back where you found them. But that's not it. Put the wiring in the correct area, nice and neatly in the corner. Put the keyboard back. And now take that CD. But make sure to be a great student and help other people out too. Like that computer on your right? Fix that too. Now take a Sharpie and write your name and subject on your CD. Let's go have a look. Let me guess, your last name again. What great handwriting. Oh, I think you're forgetting something. That's what I thought. Get your backpack off the appropriate cubby and get out of here. You did great. Bye now. See you later. What?